Deep. Let's draw a joyful puppy. Draw the puppy's head. Well done! And nose, a little circle. Now, draw 2 ears. And mouth. Draw its eyebrows. Fantastic! And now, draw the puppy's body. And 2 paws. And 2 more paws. Now add a funny tail. Look, your puppy is scratching and barking.
Oh, oh.